He's right over there. He touched his hand. Do you want to? He touched. Yes, he did. Josh touched. Yes, yes, he did. It's huge. I'm telling you, everyone loves this. It's incredible. I know on the Shea Stadium with the Beatles. Very similar. Very similar. Also, guys, give Bill Maher a little bit of a screen. There he is, right there. He's got the love here. In Times Square as well, he's going to take it on everyone from Kim Kardashian to all the presidential candidates. That's coming right up.
Yeah, also had a GMA exclusive of sorts. Country superstars Kenny Chesney, Tim McGraw, of course. You had a chance to spend some time with them in Nashville last week for the CMA Awards. This morning, an announcement that every fan will want to hear. It is straight. Oh, come on, tell us. Come on,
But I will tell you, it's the most fun to hang out with these guys. So anything that happens with them involved,
good stuff. All right, but first, The Hunger Games. Possibly the most anticipated movie of 2012. It's based on the best-selling young adult novel. The trilogy now has 16 million copies in print, and you can hear why. The movie expected to be as big a phenomenon as Twilight, Harry Potter, and here on GMA this morning, only we have your exclusive debut of the trailer.
We could do it, you know. Go off, live in the woods.
They'd catch us.
Well, maybe not.
We wouldn't make it 5 miles.
Welcome. The time has come to select one courageous young man and woman for the honor of representing District 12 in the 74th Annual Hunger Games.
It's your first year, Prim. Your name's only been in there once. They're not gonna pick you.
Primrose Everdeen. I volunteer as tribute. Our tributes, Peter Malone and Katniss Everdeen.
They just want a good show. That's all they want.
There's 24 of us, Gail. Only one comes out.
So you're here to make me look pretty?
I'm here to help you make an impression.
And so it was decreed that each year the 12 districts of Pan Am shall offer up and tribute one young man and woman between the ages of 12 and 18 to be trained in the art of survival and to be prepared to fight to the death.
This is the time to show them everything. Make sure they remember you.
I just keep wishing I could think of a way to show them that they don't own me. If I'm gonna die, I want to still be me.
I just can't afford to think like that.
No such thing.